Welcome to AI Tech Beat, where we explore the coolest tech innovations shaping our world. Today, we're diving into the ultimate classroom tech essentials. Smart AI toys that are revolutionizing education while keeping it fun. Let's jump in. AI toys aren't just about fun, they're tools for creativity, critical thinking, and even preparing kids for a tech-driven future. From coding robots to interactive games, these toys are transforming classrooms everywhere. First up, the Twin Science AI toy. Perfect for kids 8 and up, this toy blends robotics, programming, and AI for a hands-on learning experience. With features like RoboCode Lab and interactive sensors, it's a must-have for budding innovators. Plus, it sparks creativity and problem-solving. Imagine building a robot and coding it to react to the environment. How cool is that? Next, the Wowwee Mi Go Robot. A versatile robot that lets kids program it using a touchscreen or an app. It's perfect for individual or group activities, encouraging teamwork and logical thinking. Meet Anki Cozmo, the little robot with a big personality. Its code lab makes learning to code simple and fun. Plus, Cozmo's AI can recognize faces, show emotions, and even play games like Keep Away. It's more than a toy, it's a classroom buddy that makes learning relatable. Why are AI toys a game changer in classrooms? They encourage problem solving, introduce programming basics, and help kids develop critical thinking skills, all while keeping them engaged. Other must-haves include the Pokemon AI game for strategic thinking, the Edison Robot Kit for building and programming, and Botley 2.0 for screen-free coding adventures. The possibilities are endless. Ready to bring the future into your classroom? These AI toys are the ultimate tools to inspire young minds and make learning unforgettable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. See you next time on AI Tech Beat.